Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Instagram support. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Instagram and log into your account, and then you're going to click on your profile here at the bottom right. Once you do so, you're going to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right, and you'll be redirected to settings and activity. Here, you're going to scroll down to the bottom till you find the section of more info and support. Here, you can also click on Meta AI Support Assistant and you can get any answers from AI support in real time. But if you want to talk to the contact of Instagram, you're going to click on Help, and then you're going to click on Report a Problem if you have any problem with Instagram. And then you're going to click on Report Problem Without Shaking. Here, you're going to click on Include and Continue, and then you can briefly explain what happened or what isn't working. You can also upload any screenshot and then click on Send at the top right. So Instagram support will view your request and will contact you through your email. And you can also view all your support requests by clicking on Support Requests over here. And then you'll be able to see an option at the top that would say Reports. These are reports that you have submitted, and you'll be able to see all your reports listed over here. And that is how you can contact Instagram support. So if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.